Oh, she's running. Run, run, run! Woo!
What's going on?
What up?
Good.
Everything good?
Yeah.
She was about to break her leg, bro.
Go away.
What's private property? You gonna call who?
What's the problem?
Huh? You guys are full of cameras. Your building is full of cameras.
They don't like to be filmed.
Who's this? Who are you?
Who are you?
Oh, no, who are you?
What's that?
Who you calling? Look, he's recording too. Call the cops on him because he's recording. What are you doing, bro?
You see, like, the cameras and you're like, what is this guy doing? But
Call the cops. Take him to jail.
that's exactly what everybody thinks.
I heard, you heard.
Don't feel the
heard.
Hey, yo, middle thing, huh? Why you calling cops on me? Why you calling the cops on me? Why you really trying to get me dead?
PTSD, turn.
Hey, yo, listen up, man. Y'all need to stop playing with us, you heard? Play no fucking game, and y'all call me service. Alright? Everybody pay taxes for y'all, so treat us like a fucking human being. We your boss. You got the game. Yeah, you hear me? We are your boss. Every time you see us, treat us like gods. You stupid mother.
That's what I'm talking about, gang.
Playing with me, yo.
I see me, my friend.
Y'all think, bro. Out of here.
The prosecution dirty, the lawyers is corrupt. Police getting away with it, then ELY interrupts. So why you think I'm getting loud with it? I grew up getting locked up, and I'm not gonna ride with it.
The people's guys here. Subscribe to his service. Work. We gotta get them subscriptions up. Get them subscriptions. Get them vibes up.
I've been to jail 50 times, and 50 times I done do. Out of those 50 times, they gave me 50 deals of book. And after all this happened, yeah, you see me, I'm fine. I had to start from zero more than 50 times.
Let me see that shit, man.
I'm from
Let
LA,
me see.
fool, I'm from LA. Search that shit. Ah, no
Right
shit.
there, the first one. Subscribe to my.
Subscribe though, subscribe.
We got you.
Let me see. Subscribe right there.
Right there,
Subscribe to my shit.
Already done. Oh.
I don't fuck with dirty cops. You heard? Oh, she's running. Run, run, run! Woo! Holy shoot! She was about to break her legs, bro. God! What's this? I don't know who she went to get, my people. What's this over here? Loan Association. You heard my peeps? Mondays and Thursdays. What's this? Sovereign Savings and Loans Associations. Private bank with peeps or something? Jeez, so she was about to break her leg over there, my peeps.
What's going on?
What up?
Good.
Everything good?
Yeah.
She was about to break her leg, bro.
Go away.
What's private property? You gonna call who? And what are they gonna do to me? Oh no. You calling the cops on us? Now we gotta stay here.
Doesn't want to be filmed. What's the problem?
Huh? You guys are full of cameras. Your building is full of cameras.
They don't like to be filmed.
That's okay. They're in America. We have the right to record in public.
100%.
Exactly. So go tell them not to call the cops because that's going to be looking bad on this company or bank. What is this, bro? I don't even know what this is. You heard? You want me dead or in jail, G? Would you like for me to die or to go to jail today?
Not going to jail.
Not going to jail? So what the cops are going to do to me?
Nothing. They don't know.
So, but why you don't tell them? The cops are gonna come and waste their time, bro. They gotta go get criminals.
They're not calling.
They're not calling?
No, they don't like people with the camera on their face, that's all.
Go tell them this is America. We have the freedom of the press.
They know.
Constitute. Who's this? Who are you?
Who are you?
No, who are you?
Sad.
Who you calling? What's going on here, bro? What's going on? Y'all profiling us? Why y'all calling the cops on us? That's crazy. What?
I don't believe it.
Well, I guess the police are gonna have to come and educate over here as well.
Cop car over there.
Insanity, my peeps.
Lights is out.
Lights out. You might be doing something illegal in there. You hear my peeps? I don't know what's going on in there. So many legalities going on in there that they so afraid of being exposed. You hear my peeps? They're not friendly at all here.
Loan Association.
Right next to the bank, my peeps. Pull up to the main channel. Pull up to ELY TV Dudes. Pull up to Zay TV. Right next door. I don't know what's going on over here, man.
Everybody going crazy and suffering.
Yeah.
Suffering.
The village of Suffering is suffering, my peeps, because of a camera. Better yet, they have a whole bunch of cameras there, as you can see. They loaded, my peeps. They're recording everybody. Look. Don't forget you have security cameras over there too. Those are better. You got a bigger screen. Yeah, you flip it like that, you get a better angle. What makes you think you can record us and we can't record? Look, he's recording too. Call the cops on him because he's recording. What are you doing, bro?
I came and asked you on the street. I don't know what's going on.
We're recording, we're doing a video.
Talk to me like a person.
Talk to you, I don't have to talk to you, bro. What is wrong with you?
I don't have to be either.
Exactly, but don't call the cops just because I don't talk to you. Constitute. Who's this? Who are you? Don't call the cops just because I don't talk to you.
I will.
You will? You can do whatever you want? So you want me dead or in jail?
No, I don't want.
Which one?
I don't want nothing.
So what a man with a gun is going to do to me that you can't do?
Nothing. I have no idea what's going on.
Nothing's going on. A man with a camera, brother.
So talk to me like a
I don't have to talk to you,
I
man.
don't have to talk to you either.
But you don't have to call the cops because I don't talk to you.
I could do whatever I want. Like you could.
Let's just hope I don't get shot, bro. Stop wasting the time, bro.
You can't call 911 for no reason.
That's a crime, bro. That's a crime. Calling 911 without a crime. That's crazy, man. You ever heard of the Constitution? Jose, who that? Over here. Friendly or not friendly? That's friendly. You say hi. Hey, yo, what up, my peeps? I don't... Fancy gimbal? Sideways, yeah, sideways. Maybe he's showing his wife. All right. VIP, you got VIP seats. It's just a camera, and I'm exercising my right to record in public, sir. And I don't owe nobody an explanation. Because I don't explain to you what I'm doing, you don't have to call the cops on me, a man with a gun to come and take me to jail or lock me up. It's a freedom that we have in this country, sir.
guys keep me busy today.
I'm keeping you busy. We're educating the whole world. Let him know, please. You should educate him out here, man, for my footage. Well, I'm gonna get the body cams anyways.
There you go.
Don't mute them. All right, thank you.
Don't mute him.
All right, don't mute them. That's my angle right there, too.
He said he can't. They can't mute him.
Yeah, they can't mute them over here, my bitch. You heard?
I don't want.
Public sidewalk. Insanity, my bitch. Why they're not friendly, bro? Why they're not, you know what I mean? Let me alone, man. Let me hold 100 stack. Like, yo, you need a loan, I got you. What you need? You need a new gimbal, you need a new camera. You need to upgrade the studio, what you need? They should get me with a loan, right, my peeps? Promote this shit. Let me get 100 real quick. You know what I mean? I think I need like 60 more to finish up the construction in the Let me hold, you know what I mean? 60 real quick. I got you. We're almost there, my peeps. You heard, so stay tuned in. Everything we're doing it for you. You heard, my peeps? Education is very important. Now the officer's educating him in our rights, in our constitutional rights. Hopefully he won't call the cops again in his life.
Learn something new.
Where homeboy? He left? He have VIP seats. The backup is coming. The backup is your boys, eh? He Gucci with the beeps. Now you know. Don't call them again, bro.
She needs an escort and everything.
No, she just wants to get to her car safely. And
She could do her thing. Welcome to America. Let her know, man.
She was never in danger, sir.
She was safe. With us, she's safe. With you, she's in danger. You heard? The backup has arrived.
You guys are making me get my steps in for that.
You're making your money and it's worth it. Right now, today is the only day that your money has been worth.
I was just trying to walk around town, you know?
Yeah?
That's it.
Damn, they're not friendly, bro. They're profiling us over here, man. Everybody. How many times have you been caught?
Well, no, because people don't normally, like, people don't walk around with cameras.
People don't walk around with
Like,
cameras.
people are always like, they get scared.
They get scared.
On a camera. You guys are the ones with the
Look. They're recording us. Look, you see that? They're recording us.
absolutely.
So make sense of that.
No, I get where you're coming from, but I'm just saying, like, people see, like, the cameras and they're like, what is this guy doing? But
Call the cops. Take him to jail.
that's exactly what everybody thinks. I'm serious. That's what everybody thinks. That's what everybody thinks.
Wow. Well, hopefully after today, you know, the news is going to get out then. Hopefully it won't happen again. Because we have other people. We're like, but perhaps if you were your family, bro, and they want to take pictures.
Yeah.
That's going to happen to them? Are they going to call the cops on your son for taking pictures?
Oh, well, I mean, listen, it depends, obviously.
It depends.
It depends.
They're going to call on me, but not on your son, huh?
It's like, I can't speak hypotheticals. I don't know. That's yeah. That's my card.
That's my son.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. So they called them on him, you know? That's crazy.
Last four from the Chase Bank.
How much one of those cost?
Which one?
It's
different. The camera,
motion, like the
gimbal.
Yeah.
This one's like $400 or $500.
That's where we should start. And then
This is going to another channel. May I have your name and badge number?
Officer Win 175.
Thank you very much. Let me ask him real quick.
Order? You guys,
They do.
generate an order?
It's just gonna have one number for the next one.
Oh, that's really bad.
This is going to a different channel. What was your name and badge number?
Officer Schultz. Said it might be an all-time high for you.
Thank you very much.
Right? Because every time somebody calls, there's another number. So that's what I'm saying.
Okay, other than that, God bless you guys. We're about to take it home, so you should be all right from now on. We out.
All right.
We're done with our educational tour. So y'all should be all right.
Wonderful. Now I can eat my food.
Now you can eat your food. You heard? We're good. We're out of here, man. We're getting out of town, my pets.
You guys should stop the real criminal now.
That's it. Little by little.
Little by little.
Well, it was a pleasure. The village of Suffern. That's the sergeant right there?
That's it.
That's him. He don't look too friendly, you hear me? He does not look too friendly, bro.
The shades, he looks serious.
Yeah.
Business.
Well, it's been a pleasure, guys. We're gonna take a shortcut through here. Take care. All right. My peeps, as you may already know, education is very important. Love and respect is all we got, my peeps. Love and respect is all we got.
Every day is a new scar, never getting healed. Take a day and try to walk on my shoes or stop living my life. Do some research before you talk about me. Tell me why I'm taking time of your time. I'm all up in your head, living rent free, and it came with a bed. Every day when you wake up, I know you think about me. Right before you go to bed, I know you think about me. All up in your dreams and your worst nightmare. I know you're getting mad at me, but I don't care. I'm gonna keep it moving, looking at you from the top to the bottom, and there's a reason why you're staying right there. Take a day and try to walk on my shoes or stop living my life. Do some research before you talk about me. I'm just trying to come up from the bottom of the hill. A lot of my friends lost, most of them were skilled. Every day is a new scar, never getting healed. Every day is a new scar, never getting healed. I'm just trying to come up from the bottom of the hill. A lot of my friends lost, most of them were skilled. Every day is a new scar, never getting healed.
I heard. You heard.
Don't feel no type of way.
Hey, yo, little thing, huh?
PTSD, dirty.
Hey, yo, listen up, man. Y'all need to stop playing with us, huh? You ain't no fucking dick, and y'all public service. Alright? Everybody pay taxes for y'all, so treat us like a fucking human being. We your boss. You got the game. You hear me? We are your boss. Every time you see us, treat us like God. You stupid mother.
That's what I'm talking about, gang.
Stop playing with me, huh?
Así mismo, panita.
Y'all tía, bro. Fuck out of here.
The prosecution dirty, the lawyers is corrupt. Police getting away with it, then Eli interrupts. So why you think I'm getting loud with it? I grew up getting locked up, and I'm not gonna ride with it.
The people's guys here. Subscribe to his service. Work. We gotta get them subscriptions up. Get them subscriptions. Get them vibes up.
I've been to jail 50 times, and 50 times I done do. Out of those 50 times, they gave me 50 deals of book. And after all this happened, yeah, you see me, I'm fine. I had to start from zero more than 50 times.
Let me see that shit, man.
I'm from
Let
LA,
me see.
fool. I'm from LA. Search that shit. Ah, no
Right
shit.
there, right there. The first one. Subscribe to my.
Subscribe though. Subscribe.
We got you.
Let me see. Subscribe right there. Subscribe to my shit.
Already done. Oh.
I don't fuck with dirty cops. You heard?